Want to speak real Turkish from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at turkishclass101.com.
Hi everyone, my name is Seda Sürel. Herkese merhaba, ben Seda Sürel. Welcome to another whiteboard lesson. Today we will be talking about adverbs of frequency for explaining how often you do things. Let's get started. Hadi başlayalım. First, let's look at the vocabulary. Her zaman, always, her gün, every day, sık sık, often, genellikle, usually, bazen, sometimes, nadiren, seldom, hiçbir zaman, never, her zaman, her gün, sık sık, genellikle, bazen, nadiren, hiçbir zaman. Okay, let's look at the dialogue. And let's try to find the adverbs of frequency in the dialogue. Let's see if we can find it. Genellikle yemek yapar mısın? Genellikle yemek yapar mısın? Do you usually cook? Her zaman yemek yaparım. Her zaman yemek yaparım. I always cook. Let's look at the other examples and again try to find the adverbs of frequency. Her gün çalışırım. Her gün çalışırım. I work every day. Sık sık futbol oynarım. Sık sık futbol oynarım. I often play soccer. Let's look at the sentence pattern. Frequency, verb. This is how the Turkish pattern is structured, okay? Frequency, adverb plus verb. And don't forget, in Turkish, verb must be conjugated to indicate the subject and the tense. So you don't need another word to use for subject, as in English. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. You can use them, but you don't need to. So frequency plus verb is enough. In English it is I, frequency adverb, and the real verb. Let's see the structure in the dialogue, in the sentence. Her zaman, frequency adverb, yemek yaparım. Verb, yemek yaparım, I cook. Okay? Let's see the other two examples. Her gün, frequency adverb, çalışırım, verb, conjugated, I work. Let's see the last example. Sık sık futbol oynarım. Sık sık, frequency of, adverb of frequency, futbol oynarım. I play soccer. Okay? Good. And I have a nice culture point for you. Zarf, which means adverb, has two meanings. Zarf is adverb, such as these, but zarf also means envelope. This verb is coming from Arabic. It means to enwrap or, contain something. It's a container, it's a wrapper. So a regular envelope, zarf, contains a letter. And grammar point zarf, that envelopes it envelopes the meaning. It gives a modified meaning of a word. So we think the envelope and adverb in somehow connected to each other. Both envelopes contain something valuable. It gives you more information, and it is a tool. It is a medium to bring you that meaning. So, did you like it? Do you remember how to say always? Her zaman. Her zaman. What about I cook? Yemek yaparım. Yemek yaparım. What about I always cook? Her zaman yemek yaparım. Her zaman yemek yaparım. Do you remember how to say every day? Her gün. Her gün. What about often? Sık sık. Sık sık. Do you remember how to say usually? Genellikle. Genellikle. Do you remember how to say sometimes? Bazen. Bazen. What about seldom? Nadiren. Nadiren. Do you remember how to say never? Hiçbir zaman. Hiçbir zaman. In this lesson, you learned the most common adverbs of frequency. I'm Seda Sürer. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time at turkishclass101.com. Thank you. Görüşmek üzere. Hoşça kalın.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.